Hello friends, today I will tell you about my morning routine. I wake up every morning at 6 o'clock. After waking up, I first brush my teeth, and then splash cold water on my face to feel fresh. After this, I sit on my yoga mat and do yoga for 15 minutes. Doing yoga gives me a lot of energy, and my mind becomes calm. After yoga I go to take a bath, and after bathing I wear my clothes. Then I go to the kitchen and make tea for myself. I like ginger tea very much. While drinking tea, I read the newspaper or check news on my phone. At 8 o'clock, I have breakfast. My breakfast usually includes parathas, curd, and pickle. Sometimes I also make poha or upma. After breakfast, I pack my bag and leave for office. Yesterday, I went to the market because I had to buy some vegetables and fruits. The market was very crowded because it was Sunday. I first stopped at a vegetable vendor's shop and asked him the prices of tomatoes, onions, potatoes, and green chilies. He told me that tomatoes were 40 rupees per kilo. I found it a bit expensive, so I bargained a little. Finally, he gave it to me for 35 rupees per kilo. I bought 2 kilos of tomatoes, 1 kilo of onions, and half a kilo of green chilies. After this, I went to the fruit seller. There I saw fresh apples and bananas. I bought a dozen bananas and half a kilo of apples. Then I took 2 liters of milk and a packet of curd from the dairy shop. After buying everything, I paid my bill and headed home. After reaching home, I washed all the vegetables and fruits and kept them in the fridge. I like watching movies very much, and my favorite movie is 3 Idiots. This movie was done by Amar Khan, Kareena Kapoor, R. Madhavan, and Sharman Joshi. The story of this movie is about 3 friends who study in an engineering college. The film shows how our education system emphasizes only getting marks, not real knowledge. The main character Ranchodas Chanchad is very talented, and he always thinks differently. He teaches his friends that instead of running after success, do your work with love, then success will run after you. The movie has some very funny scenes that make me laugh every time. Also, it has some emotional scenes that touch the heart. I have watched this movie at least 10 times, but every time I watch it, I learn something new.